And now, Wellness Wednesday, brought to you by Dr. K.
Well, Dr. Kira Tolson with Dental Care of Baltimore is back here on WJZ at 9 for another Wellness Wednesday.
And today we are talking about teeth whitening. We're always quizzing you in the commercial breaks. People come out and they see us talking because we're always so curious about whatever the topic is that you're talking about. And teeth whitening, first off, you see a lot of it, a lot of advertisements. The stars look like they have teeth that just aren't even real sometimes. You see them on Hollywood. But tell us, what goes into getting your teeth whitened?
Sure. So a lot of patients come to my office because they want whiter, straighter teeth. I think that's the most common reason people come to see me. So the basic thing is you want to have good hygiene, right? So you want to make sure you're practicing good hygiene, coming to see your hygienist for regular cleanings. And then if your teeth are still stained, because the things that we eat, right, our diet, wine, coffee, tea, dark berries, those will all stain our teeth. Smoking is a big reason that people will see staining. So we have options, and so some of them are over the counter and some of them can be done in the office.
Got you. And what are the pros and cons of those various options?
So the ones that are over the counter, they're all hydrogen peroxide based, and so it's varying degrees of the formula. So the ones that are over the counter have a lesser concentration of the hydrogen peroxide. So those are the strips, the whitening toothpaste, the rinses, and they are effective, but because the concentrations are lower, they're not going to be as effective as the one that you do in the office. That's going to have the greatest impact. It's the most concentrated hydrogen peroxide, but of course it's done by a trained technician or your dentist so that we can protect your gums and place barriers. Because the hydrogen peroxide can induce and increase sensitivity. So patients who already have a lot of sensitivity, they may want to consider something like the over-the-counter or at-home products versus the one that's in the office, because it will increase sensitivity, at least temporarily.
Okay. Is there any health benefit other than just the cosmetic? Is it just the feel-good, factor, or is it any health benefit in whitening your teeth?
There is zero health benefit in whitening your teeth. It is purely a cosmetic procedure. But again, a lot of patients will come in with just poor hygiene or just in need of a dental cleaning. So of course, that's going to be beneficial to your overall gum and tooth health. And then some patients are not great candidates for whitening at all. So what we can achieve is impacting the external staining from, like I said, foods and drinks and smoking. But some people have internal staining of their teeth from tetracycline use as a younger child or other maybe genetic factors. So it's important to ask your dentist to see if you're a good candidate.
Are there age limits for teeth whitening, or is it something that you can kind of do at any age?
Pretty much at any age, as long as you're a good candidate. It's not recommended for young children because their nerves are bigger, they're more sensitive, and it can erode the enamel over time. But it's pretty safe, and if it's done correctly.
And talk to veneers. What is the difference there? Because whitening, veneers are by definition, they're kind of white already.
They are very white, yes. Well, they can be. So, yes, so for some patients who are looking to achieve that really nice Hollywood smile, veneers are a really good option because whitening will only enhance you but so much in terms of the color, whereas veneers, you can change the color, you can become whiter, the shape of the teeth more symmetrical, more even. So veneers are the ultimate Hollywood smile, to change and enhance your smile.
Can you get me a grill that has like jewels that say WJZ?
You might have to go to LA for that.
Oh, okay. Just checking. How do folks find you?
We are located in the Foundry Row building, in the LifeBridge building at Foundry Row. You can call the office at 443-258-9939.
Thank you so much, Dr. K. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
See you the next first Wednesday.
Yes, I'll be back.
All right, see you then.
Wellness Wednesday on WJZ at 9 is brought to you by Dr. K.